Very warm greetings to respected principals, sir, coordinators, teachers, brothers, sisters, and everyone present here. It's me, Samip Khadka from grade 10A1, standing in front of you to share my experience to National Botanical Garden located in Godavari. National Botanical Garden in Godavari is located outside Kathmandu at the base of Pulchoki Hills, covering about 82 hectares of land where thousands of plant species are conserved there. It is also one of the biggest plant conservation and research center of Nepal. Our grade 10 A1 and A2 went there with our two teachers, Deepsika Ghimire ma'am and Ghanshyam Dal sir, on Tuesday 2083 BS Asad 9. During our time there, we observed various species of plant, greenhouse, how greenhouse works, scientific labelings on different types of plants and etc. This tour also helped us in our academic. Like in science, we have a lesson called Science Classifications of Organisms, which by going to Godavari, we learned how scientists classify different types of animals. We saw the differences between flowering plant, non-flowering plant, different division, subdivision of division of plant. At last, I would like to thank our school administration for organizing this tour outside classroom. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.